In this video, we will discuss that how to use the EndNote for to search the PDF files from the online databases. As you know, in the previous video, I have discussed that how to import the references from the PubMed, from the Google Scholar, and then from the Science Direct. In the same way, we can search the data from the Scopus and the Web of Knowledge or Web of Science, and we can import that data, import that references, import that records into our EndNote library. Now, in this video, we will discuss that how to use the EndNote option to search the PDF files from the online databases or from the journal websites. For example, uh, here in this library, there are 899 articles or references, and for the searching of these references, there is not a single reference that contains the PDF files. And one more thing, we have collected the data from the Science Direct. We have collected the data from the PubMed using the online search mode as well as using the direct import from the website. And similarly, we have imported a few references using the Google Scholar for the examples. Now, this library contains data from the different sources. Yes, some of the journals are uh, indexed within the PubMed as well as Science Direct. So there may be some duplication of the references which are present within our EndNote library. And for the removal of the duplications, I have clicked on the one reference here, and then by the option of Control A from my keyboard, I am selecting all the references, and then I am going to the reference tab, and within the reference tab, I am clicking on the find duplicates. So I can remove the duplicates. Here, this type of window will pop up. I am skipping that. Then here you will came to know that only the references which are duplicated, they are highlighted. For example, one reference may have duplicates or the triplicates. For the duplicates, reference will be selected. One reference will be without selection, and other maybe one, two, or three references will be highlighted. Simply, I can use the option delete from my keyboard, and all the highlighted references will be deleted. So I'm clicking the delete option from the second way is that I can cut these references from the library. I think the better way is to the use the delete option from the keyboard. All these references are duplicates. For example, for the first reference, an overview of the epidemiology of avian influenza that is present within the library three times. First one is not highlighted, and the second, third references are highlighted. So if I will click the delete option from my keyboard, all the references will be deleted which are highlighted. So all the references which were two times or three times in the local library are deleted only one time. So in our library, only all the references are present once, not in duplicate, not in triplicate. You can see I have deleted more than 110 articles from the library which are present in the trash. I am emptying my trash by clicking on it. By right clicking on it, then empty trash. So in this way, I can delete all the duplicates from my references. Now I want to I want to I want to search the PDF files uh, from my EndNote library directly from the databases or from the journal websites. For that, first I have I have sorted my references on the basis of year. Here you can see here 2023. The reference is on the top. The references on the tops are from the 2023. At the end are from the 2006. So all these references are from 2006 to 2023. I can sort on the basis of author, title, journal. Similarly, for example, I have clicked on the basis of journal, then all the references uh, are sorted from A to Z on the basis of journal or the name of the books or the book chapter like that. Then I can also sort on the basis of title, years, authors, or any other option which you want. In this case, I'm interested to sort the references on the basis of the year, and then I have selected the options by clicking on the first references, clicking on the first reference, and then I have used the Control plus down arrow key from the. I'm using the Control Shift plus down arrow key from my keyboard to select the references. So all these references are being selected. Here you can see I have selected the references up to this chapter community protection, and now I have to click on this option, search PDF, this option, find full text. I have clicked on that. Here is a new window that is pooped up, and according to this window, and the EndNote find full text feature is limited to 250 records at a time. So because here in this case I have selected the references more than 250, and there is a drawback of EndNote that it can search only 250 references one. So I am clicking on it. Okay, search it. Now in this find full text tab on the left side, you can see searching has been started and the EndNote is searching. First reference is not found from the Journal of Medical Biology, and then URL found, then three URL, two not found, and like that. Here you can see in the Find Full Text tab, there are four different options. Searching, there are 238 articles which the EndNote is searching, and from those articles, found PDF contains four articles, and here in this case, you can see if the PDF is attached with the reference, then it may look like this here, this, and then found URL. There are seven articles in this subfolder. Then not found. There are two articles. So in this way, you can find the full text from the online databases or from the general website using the EndNote. And your institutions may have access to the different journal or the different journal websites or the databases, and from those databases you can directly search the PDF files using the EndNote option and note option of find full text. And here is the note option of find full text. Here, find full text. So in this library there were 882 articles, and I have selected the first 250 articles. In the next step, you can search another 250, then other 250, and with the four search search, you can search all the 882 articles. And thank you so much. In this video, in conclusion, I have described that how to attach the PDF files using the find full text option of the EndNote, and then that will be directly attached to the references. And if you have any question related to the find full text option of the EndNote, please let me know in the comments. I will try to answer it. Thank you.